Here's how we make our quick and easy veggie tortellini soup. You can make this soup in about 30 minutes. For the veggies, we will need 1 medium onion, 2 carrots, 2 zucchini, and a small bunch of kale. As always, the full recipe is on Inspired Taste. For the kale, I strip the leaves from the stems and then roughly chop. Over at the stove, heat a tablespoon of oil over medium heat and then stir in the onions and carrots. When they are starting to soften, stir in a tablespoon each of minced garlic and tomato paste, 1½ teaspoons of Italian seasoning, a pinch of crushed red pepper flakes, and the zucchini. Give it a minute and then pour in 8 cups of stock. I'm using vegetable stock. Bring the soup to a boil, reduce to a simmer, and cook 10 to 15 minutes or until the veggies are tender. Now stir in the kale and tortellini. I'm using cheese-filled tortellini, but use what you love. Simmer the soup for another few minutes so that the pasta cooks, and then season to taste. I love stirring in a splash of half and half, a handful of chopped fresh dill, and a dash or 2 of fish sauce. It doesn't make the soup taste fishy, just really well seasoned. We talk more about this in the recipe on Inspired Taste. And that's it. Comforting, delicious tortellini soup with veggies. We love it. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.